Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Redragon K606 Lakshmi mechanical gaming keyboard, a compact gaming keyboard designed for players who want responsive mechanical performance, customizable features, and a space-saving design without spending a premium price. This keyboard is built for gamers who want a balance between performance and value. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, exploring open-world adventures, or simply looking for a reliable mechanical keyboard for everyday use, the K606 Lakshmi positions itself as an affordable option that delivers many of the features gamers care about most. If you want to grab this keyboard for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Redragon K606 Lakshmi immediately stands out with its compact layout. The smaller design helps free up desk space, giving you more room for mouse movement while maintaining access to the essential keys you use most often. For gamers who prefer a cleaner setup, this compact form factor can make a noticeable difference. It helps keep your gaming area organized without feeling cramped or cluttered. The overall design feels modern and gaming focused without being overly flashy. The keyboard has a clean appearance that fits naturally into a wide variety of setups. Whether you're building a dedicated gaming station or simply upgrading your everyday desk, build quality feels surprisingly solid for its category. The frame feels sturdy, the keys feel secure, and nothing about the keyboard feels loose or poorly assembled. It gives you confidence that it can handle daily gaming sessions without issue. Once you start using it, the mechanical switches become one of the biggest highlights. Every key press feels responsive and consistent, providing the tactile feedback that many gamers and typists appreciate. Whether you're making quick movements during a competitive match or typing for extended periods, the keyboard feels fast and dependable. The responsiveness helps create a more engaging experience compared to traditional membrane keyboards. Another advantage of mechanical switches is consistency. Every key press feels predictable, helping improve confidence and accuracy over time. For gaming, that responsiveness becomes especially important. Fast inputs register quickly, allowing you to react naturally without feeling delayed by your hardware. The typing experience is also enjoyable. The keys feel stable, and the overall layout remains comfortable during longer sessions. While it's clearly designed with gaming in mind, it also performs well for everyday tasks like browsing, work, and general typing. RGB lighting is another feature that helps the K606 Lakshmi stand out. The lighting adds personality to the keyboard and allows you to customize its appearance to match the rest of your setup. Whether you prefer a subtle look or something more colorful and dynamic, the lighting options give you flexibility to personalize the experience. The illumination also improves visibility in lower light environments, making it easier to locate keys during late-night gaming sessions. Customization extends beyond lighting as well. Having the ability to adjust settings and personalize the keyboard helps create a setup that feels tailored to your preferences. Comfort is another area where this keyboard performs well. The compact design keeps important keys within easy reach, helping reduce unnecessary hand movement during gameplay. For players who spend several hours gaming, these small ergonomic advantages can contribute to a more comfortable experience over time. Performance remains consistent across different game genres. Whether you're playing competitive titles that demand quick reactions or more casual games that focus on exploration and immersion, the keyboard keeps up with your inputs reliably. The keys feel responsive, and the overall experience remains smooth and predictable. Durability is also an important factor. Mechanical keyboards are often chosen for their longevity, and the K606 Lakshmi feels built to handle long-term use. The switches are designed to withstand countless key presses, helping ensure that the keyboard continues performing well even after months of regular use. Connectivity is simple and straightforward. Setup is quick, and the keyboard works without requiring complicated configuration. You can plug it in, start gaming, and enjoy the experience right away. When it comes to value, the Redragon K606 Lakshmi sits in a very appealing position. It delivers the core benefits of a mechanical gaming keyboard without requiring a premium investment. You're getting responsive switches, customizable RGB lighting, solid build quality, and a compact design all in one package. For gamers who are upgrading from a basic keyboard or entering the mechanical keyboard space for the first time, that combination makes a lot of sense. Over time, reliability, comfort, and consistency tend to matter more than flashy features that rarely get used. The K606 Lakshmi focuses on those core strengths, creating an experience that feels dependable every time you sit down to play. Overall, this Lakshmi mechanical gaming keyboard is a well-rounded and affordable keyboard that combines responsive performance, compact design, and customizable features into one complete package. If you're looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard that delivers strong everyday performance without stretching your budget, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.